verb change according to the subject.
Okay, I think that is subject verb agreement. Okay, how beta the verb changes? कैसे change होता है verb indefinite tense में? If the
For
subject is
example,
singular, then
Ria bakes the cake.
okay, Ria is singular,
Ma'am,
so S or ES with
so
the. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
well done. Exactly. So yes, Karthik, your explanation.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in present indefinite tense, the sentence is of present represents about the present action, and in this the verb changes according to that. In singular we use S or ES, and in plural we do not use E.
S or ES. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, well done. So Jasmine, what is your answer?
Ma'am, in present, it shows us the habit, routine, tells about our daily routine, habit.
Bilkul, yes. So actually I wanted to listen this thing. Okay, well done, beta. So in definite tense, it is used to show habit, routine or fact. Fact is the some truths beta that science has proved और वैसे भी कुछ truths ठीक है जो हमें पता ही होते हैं. So routine, habit or universal fact. So then we use present indefinite tense. So एक example habit की. He eats healthy food. ठीक है, this is the habit, this is his habit that he always eats healthy food. he tells he always tells a lie. ठीक है, this is his habit. So habit is you will always use present indefinite tense. Next is routine. Sorry, पहले fact. Okay, the earth revolves around the sun. This is the fact, this is the truth, and science has also proved this thing. So the earth revolves around the sun. ठीक है, I will send you this PDF. You can just go through it after in the evening. ठीक है, and the next one is routine. They sleep up. There is no word up actually. Please cut this word. So they sleep at 9 p.m. ठीक है, this is their routine. ठीक है, daily they just sleep at 9 p.m. Okay. So this is the present indefinite tense. Now already Karthik and Savya, they have already told us the rule that with the singular we are supposed to use S or ES. V1, okay, with the plural subject. V1 plus S or ES with singular, okay, and no S or ES with I or U. And negative banana to beta do does first form and no S or ES. Okay. So first sentence को negative कौन करेगा गौरिश? The first sentence beta. Change
Yes,
into
ma'am.
negative. Change into
Ma'am,
negative.
he eats healthy food.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, he does not eat healthy food.
He does not eat healthy food. Yes. Next one
Ma'am,
is
I want to give the explanation of past indefinite.
past indefinite. Okay, I will ask you beta. Give me 1 minute. So Akshara, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshara, C part, third sentence, change into negative, please.
They do not sleep at 9 p.m.
They do not sleep at 9 p.m. Yes. So we use do and does with in this tense. Okay, present indefinite tense. So Gorish wants to give the explanation of simple past tense. Okay, yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the past indefinite tense is used to express an action that is done in past.
That
Ma'am,
is
for
done in
example,
past. Okay. Mhm.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for example, I see many birds in zoo. I saw many
saw-
birds in zoo.
Okay, I
Sorry.
saw many birds in the zoo. Okay, the action that happened in the past. Okay, and there was no particular time, just it ended in the past at any time. Okay, okay. So who will give me example? Then I'll show you my example. Adgun and Karthik and Ipsa. One example.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji Karthik, then Ipsa. Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, she bought this dress last
Okay, she bought this dress last month. Okay.
as its rule is verb 2.
Yes, exactly. So Ipsa, your answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, they came late in the party.
Okay, they came late. Okay, well done. Adgun. Adgun, are you there? Okay, I have unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, he went to the library yesterday.
He went to the library yesterday. Okay, well done. So she gave me her book. Okay, this is the action that ended in the past. Okay, so second form of verb is there. She gave me her book yesterday. I stitched this dress last week. Okay, stitched. Then they visited my house recently. So these all action they had occurred in the past. Okay, so rule is obviously V2. And how will you change it into negative? One by one, change it into negative. First sentence. So Harmeet first sentence को बेटा negative करो जल्दी से.
She did not give her book.
She did not give me her book yesterday. Okay. Next is Savya. Savya change into negative. Second one.
Yes, ma'am. I stitched this. I did not stitch this dress last week.
I did not stitch this dress last week. Okay. Tanvi. Tanvi, please unmute. Tanvi, if you can hear me, I know you can hear me. Please unmute. No? Okay. Check. Check third one. Change into negative.
Yes, ma'am. They have not visited my house recently.
You sure? They have not. Where is have?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Where is have, beta? You can't use your own helping verb have, है ना? There is no have here. Okay, Vaibhav, please unmute. Vaibhav. No, I think he's not there. So who's there next? Saksham and Samarth.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta change into
Ma'am,
negative. C part.
they did not visit my house recently.
Yes. So whenever second form is given and you have to change into negative sentence, you have to use which word? Did plus V1. Okay. Did plus V1. Obviously not be aega. So you can change the question also. You can make the question also. Did they visit my house recently? Question mark. So did ke saath always first form. Now who will give me explanation of simple future tense? Anyone? Simple future. Yes, Ipsa.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it shows an action which will happen in future.
Which will happen in future. Okay, and we don't know at what time it will happen, but it will surely happen. Okay. So this will happen in future, we don't know, but the exact time, at what time it will happen, we don't know. Okay. So examples, beta. She will go to Delhi tomorrow, maybe in the morning, maybe in the evening, maybe at noon. So but she will go. Okay, this is the surety. So she will go to Delhi tomorrow. I shall or I will buy a house next year. They will finish their work tomorrow. So rule, please make the rule. कौन बनाएगा जल्दी से? Only same, beta same students are raising their hands. What about others? Yes, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, will shall plus verb first form.
Beta, when do we use shall?
Ma'am, we use shall with I and
I
we.
and we. Okay. So will shall plus first form of verb और इसका negative सिर्फ not लगाना है. Okay. So we are not going to discuss the negative sentences. She will not go. I shall not buy. They will not finish. ठीक है? Okay then. Some different students, please raise your hand. Adgun, same again. I have given two times, I think, turn to these students. From the next time, I'll definitely keep some marks for classroom participation also. So Devang, where are you today? Devang. तो जिनकी वीडियो भी ऑफ है, ऑडियो भी ऑफ है और वो रिस्पॉन्ड भी नहीं कर रहे, इसका क्या मतलब होता है? हितेश,
Yes, ma'am.
so Devang, why your video is off, beta, and you are not raising hand? What happened? थक गए हो? Okay, continuous tense, present continuous. क्या हो गया?
मैम पहले मैम नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम थी मैम, थोड़ी सी मैम, वो मैम बीच में अड़ गई थी मैम वीडियो, मैम
चलो
इसलिए ऑफ की हुई है।
ओके, कोई बात नहीं। चलो सबको बताओ बेटा, व्हेन डू वी यूज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस? ये तो हम क्लास 3 से कर रहे हैं। प्रेजेंट
When the
कंटिन्यूअस
task
टेंस
when
व्हेन you
the
can
task is happening.
the action is happening right now in front of us, or okay, at right now. Akshara, same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me one example then.
The girl is playing in the park.
Okay, so beta present continuous tense, it shows an action which is going on right now. ठीक है, जो अभी हो रहा है right now. Example, they are walking in the park at this time. My father is sleeping at this moment. I am playing now. ठीक है, these are the sentences which just show that the action is happening right now. ठीक है, and the rule is am, are, V1, ing. ठीक है. So where are you, Mitarthi, Ananya, Aditya Mahajan, Arman? Ananya, unmute. Mitarthi. Samriddhi. Jason. Veronica.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, finally, thank God. एक बच्चा तो बोला. So Samriddhi, what is past continuous tense?
Ma'am, when
You can give me example directly.
was
Okay, give me one example, beta.
I was eating.
I was eating. Very nice sentence. I was eating. Okay, Shubh, please tell me, beta.
Ma'am, I want to tell the definition.
Yes, yes, speak up and give me example also.
And it shows an action which was going in which was
Going on.
which was on in the past.
Yes,
past.
give me example, beta.
Ma'am, I was eating lunch at 2 p.m.
Okay, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Well done, Shubh. So, Madhav, give me one example of past continuous tense. Past continuous means it was happening in the past at particular time, at special time. Okay. So, Madhav, please tell me one example of past continuous tense.
He was doing homework at that time.
At that time. Okay. It is used to show an action which was going on a at particular time. Okay. So, examples beta, continuous है तो obviously ing तो आएगा for sure. She was sleeping at 6 p.m. They were shouting when I entered. When means again particular time. I was reading a book when you called me. Okay, these are the particular times. We know the exact time the action was going on. Okay, so the rule is was, were, V1, ing. Now who's the this is the last one. Next part is the last one for today. So who will explain? Veronica, future continuous tense. Then Parth. Veronica, are you there? Okay, Parth, please tell me.
Ma'am, future continuous an action going on at some point in future time.
Yes, exactly. So the action will be beta going on in the future at particular time. So continuous का मतलब ही ये होता है at particular time, at special time, ठीक है? We know the time already. So future continuous tense shows an action that will continue in the future. It is continuing and at particular time. So कौन example देगा मेरे को? Let me go back to the first student. Okay, Savya and Karthik again. Yes, Savya, one
Yes,
example.
ma'am. They will be playing tomorrow.
They will be playing. You have to mention the time, beta. At what time?
Ma'am, they will be playing tomorrow at 9 p.m.
Okay, they will be playing. Okay. She will be watching television at 6 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. So, Karthik, one more example. Beta, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, my brother will be sitting in the plane.
Tomorrow evening.
Yeah, ma'am. My
Okay,
brother will be sitting in the
mention the time. Okay. I
Okay,
shall
ma'am.
be sitting in the plane at this time next week. So same sentences. Okay. So next one is Gorish. Gorish, rule बना दो बेटा या एक sentence और बता दो.
Yes, ma'am. I will be, ma'am, just a minute. Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I shall be completing my homework tomorrow at tomorrow's evening or tomorrow's
Okay,
evening.
at 5 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. And rule बेटा, rule क्या बनेगा?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I
ma'am. With
tell?
I or we, and ma'am, with I or we will be using shall be plus first form plus ing. And when will other personal pronouns like he, she, it, we will be using will be plus first form plus ing.
Okay, fine. Well done. So everyone, this was indefinite and continuous tense. ठीक है? Now let's move to one exercise we'll do together and let's see कि हमारा कितना score आता है. ठीक है? So let me open it.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा.
ma'am, will you send this exercise in the group?
This exercise बेटा, I'll share the link. ठीक है? This is given on net. ठीक है? Internet. I'll share
Okay,
the
ma'am.
link. So beta, fill in the, you have to complete the, if you are using your mobile phone, you can zoom the screen anytime, okay? Otherwise only I think this much screen is available. So complete the sentence with the simple present tense or continuous. You have to decide whether it is simple present or continuous, and you have to tell me the answer, okay? So let me start. First sentence, okay? Harmeet, she dash because she is late for her lesson.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Mhm.
she is running.
She is running. Okay. Next one is, let me see. Harmeet, you can unmute yourself. Adgun, next answer.
Ma'am, our teacher always gives us lots of homework.
Gives, okay. Always is there. Okay. चलो मैं हम बाद में देखते हैं हमारा कितना score आएगा. Okay. Next is Devang. Devang, number 3.
Yes. We not want.
Not want means this is a negative sentence.
We not want to go to the concert. Ma'am, it's the ma'am as it does. I'm not want.
Okay, मैं आप कहने पे not want, आपके कहने पे not want लिख रही हूँ. Let me see कि हमारा score क्या आएगा. ठीक है? और ये आपका टेस्ट चल रहा है सबका. Now I will write whatever you will say. ठीक है?
And we don't want. Ma'am, it's don't want.
Now you want to make it don't. Okay. Okay, don't. Sorry. Where is the apostrophe? Yes, don't want. Okay. So next is Madhav. Madhav, next answer.
Ma'am, what time are you meet?
Are you?
What time meeting? What time are you meeting people?
Okay, next is Chehak. Chehak, next answer. Negative sentence.
Yes, ma'am. I will not work today.
Your question is you have to fill in the blank with present simple or present continuous.
I was not working.
Okay, if you say I will write the same thing. I was not working. क्योंकि अब मैं hint इससे ज़्यादा नहीं दूंगी. Not at all. Okay. Next one is And please don't correct the sentence of anyone, okay? Just tell me your answer. Okay, Akshara, number 6.
People speak English in
Jamaica. Jamaica. Okay, people speak English in Jamaica. Okay. Next one is Veronica on my screen. Veronica, number 7. Are you there? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Veronica, number 7, beta. Then last Karthik. Yes, please. Veronica. Archie dash not use his computer at this moment or at the moment.
Archie do not use his computer at the moment.
Archie do not use. Okay, I will write if you say it's okay. So Karthik, your next one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Tony lives near the park.
This is the question one, beta. Interrogative sentence.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, wait 1 second. Ma'am, does Tony live near the park?
Does Tony live near the park? Okay, now I think now we should see our score. Your score is 5 out of 8. You can see here. So हमारे 3 गलत हुए हैं. Now who will find out the mistake? Savya, according
Ma'am,
to
can
you, one by one. Okay. Yes, Savya, according to you,
Yes, ma'am.
which is our mistake?
Ma'am,
beta?
Ma'am, according to me, 4th is incorrect.
What time are you meeting Peter आना यहाँ पे tomorrow? Okay, according to you, this is wrong. Then what is the correct
ma'am.
answer?
What time will you meet?
This is present simple or present continuous only. Okay, I'm going to then Karthik. Karthik, please find out one mistake from the exercise.
Ma'am, I think 7th answer is not correct.
Archie dash not use his computer
Ma'am,
at
in
this.
place of do not, yes,
Do not use, then
I think in place of do not use, we should write is not using.
is not using. Exactly, because at the moment means this is present continuous tense. So is MR ing. Okay, Archie is not using his computer. Okay, so Gorish, according to you, one more mistake, beta.
Yes, ma'am. 5th answer is incorrect. Ma'am, in question, they have written that we use simple present or present continuous, but ma'am,
This is past continuous tense.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what will be the answer, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Generally,
I'm not working. I am not working.
Okay, well done. I'm not working today because I am on holiday. Okay, so let me see the
Ma'am,
answer.
in 7th answer, ma'am, if at this moment is there, then we have to use present continuous.
हाँ जी बेटा, present continuous.
Okay.
So just wait. Let me show you the answers. These are the correct answer. She is running because she is late for her lesson. Okay. First answer is running. Okay. Our teacher always gives. This is correct answer. So beta is की इन्होंने short form लिखी है. We can just write the full form also. First में. Then we don't want to go to the concert. ये I think हमने correct लिखा था. What time are you meeting? इसमें बहुत बच्चों को doubt था and Madhav gave this answer and it was correct. ठीक है, it is correct. I am not working today. This Gorish has already, corrected. People speak English in Jamaica. It was already right. ठीक है. Archie isn't using or is not using. Both are correct. And does Tony live? ये भी correct था. Maybe they just deducted 1 mark for this short form. This we will not consider. पर हमारे 2 आंसर गलत थे. Number 5 में हमने past continuous use कर रखा था. I don't remember किसने बोला था. And number 7 also. So this was the exercise related to present, simple present and continuous. Okay, and we can do so many exercises this way, but we don't have much time to do that. So I just suggest you to do these type of exercises at home. Okay, I'll send you this link today. Now you can open your grammar book. Just for 2-3 minutes, I want to discuss something. So please open your grammar book, the chapter word formation, page 186. Page number 186. Please open it. And turn on your video, beta. It's just feel like कि मैं एक black curtain को बढ़ा रही हूँ और बीच में थोड़े थोड़े बस pictures लगी हुई हैं. So page 186, everyone. चितेश उठ जाओ बेटा. Okay. So word formation. So prefix and suffix is there in your syllabus. Okay. So page number 186 to 189. What you have to do, I'll tell you the meaning of prefix. Actually, you already know this. Still, I will explain. Then I will tell you the meaning of suffix also. So you can just do the exercises at home. I'm giving you 2-3 days for this. On Friday, probably I'll send you the answers. Then you can just check it. Okay. So prefix, who will tell me what is prefix? Pre means pehle. Prefix. Shubh. Shubh, according to you, what is prefix, beta?
Ma'am, it is a word that is added in the beginning of the word.
Yes, prefix. ठीक है, जैसे जिसको आप पंजाबी च अगेतर कहते हो ना. So that is prefix means, pre means beginning, in the beginning. Fix means you have to add the word in the beginning. Now give me your examples. Give me your examples. At least 5 example I want, but not from the book. Give me your own examples. You can think about the opposite words. हम बहुत सारे opposite words बनाते हैं using prefix. So Argun, tell me one example from your own.
Ma'am, anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Okay, well done. Anti-clockwise. Clockwise का opposite. Okay. So we have one example from your side.
Ma'am, impure.
Impure. Okay, pure. Im plus pure, impure. And second word should have the meaning. Okay. Okay. Next is Gaurish, one word.
Yes, ma'am. Unlucky.
Unlucky. Okay. Lucky is having a meaning. So unlucky. Okay. Fine. Yes, Karthik. Then Harmeet. Then Ananya.
Ma'am, reappear.
Reappear. Okay. Appear is having meaning. Reappear. Okay. दोबारा से appear होना. Well done. So Harmeet. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Agree, disagree.
Disagree. Okay. Ananya, one word. Then beta think about the some words of suffix. Suffix होते जो हम end में लगाते हैं. ठीक है. Harmeet, I think I have given it one. Ananya. Ananya, please tell me one prefix, one word which you have made using prefix.
Ma'am, butterfly.
Fly plus butter. Okay. वैसे butterfly एक single word है, but okay, it is making sense. Okay. So suffix beta, we just add it at last. So one word from your side only. Yes, Shubh.
Ma'am, touchable.
Touchable. Okay. So जितने भी बेटा हमारे पॉजिटिव कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्रीज हैं उसमें हम सारे suffix यूज करते हैं.
Impolite.
Fast, faster, fastest, ER, EST, they are the suffixes. ठीक है. Yes, Adgun.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा, हाँ जी.
ma'am, prefix का impolite.
Impolite, beta, that is prefix. Okay, हाँ, prefix, yes. So Adgun, one suffix beta.
Ma'am, backward.
Back plus word. Okay, backward. Okay. Jasween.
Ma'am, मेरा forward.
Okay, forward. Okay. Then Akshara.
Ma'am, childhood.
Childhood, adulthood. Okay. So next is, chalo, I'm going to unmute you together. We have just 1 minute. अब जो जो बोलना है फटाफट बोल दो. But don't shout, please. चलो बेटा. Yes.
Movement.
Surfing.
Neighborhood.
Ma'am, beautiful.
Handstand.
Neighborhood.
Flexible.
Flexible.
Neighborhood.
Flexible किसने बोला?
Acknowledgement.
freedom,
Acknowledgement.
Retirement.
Acknowledgement.
Retirement.
Okay.
Women
Retirement.
agreement.
Handstand.
and
Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
neighborhood.
Neighborhood.
Like celebration. Celebration.
Life plus line हो सकता है बेटा, for sure. So these are the prefixes and suffixes. Complete this exercise at home. ठीक है? All the exercises. 3-4 days ले लो, then I'll send you the answer key. ठीक है? So this is the end of the period. Tomorrow we'll do another tenses. Then tomorrow we'll again discuss one exercise from internet and we'll see कि हमारा कितना score आता है. ठीक है? So I'll meet you tomorrow, beta. Tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, we'll see the timetable. Okay. Bye.